Only got the photo and nothing else? Let SUAPP AI turn that exact object into a real 3D asset. Hi everyone, this is Nice Tower. I drop useful tutorials here every week. Today we are checking out new features in SUAPP AI. Before that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss our upcoming tutorials. Now let's jump in. So first of all, if you haven't updated the SUAPP AI yet, do it right now. A new feature has been added to SUAPP AI previously. Its options were separate in the extension toolbar, but now all of them are combined and accessible under SUAPP AI. You no longer have to deal with SUAPP AIM and SUAPP AI separately. Everything is gathered in one plugin and easier to use than ever. And today we will work with SUAPP AIM option. After click on SUAPP AIM plugin, you will see this window. Click here to upload a photo. Let's try this sofa. Click on it and click on open. Now here choose part mode and here accuracy, increase that to 1 and then click on create. Maybe it takes a few moments. Part mode separates the colors and elements of the image into individual parts so you can select and edit each one independently. So as you can see, it's really a new version. We have some option here like move, rotate, scale. We can move different part of our object, and also we can rotate and scale. And also here we have another window. We can change the material of the shape. For example, let's try this color, and here we can scale the texture and also rotation. We can rotate the texture. Let's try another one. For example, this one. And scale the texture and try a texture for the other part and scale that. As you can see, that's really good. Let's try different mode. I think these colors not really good look. Let's try another one. This one and scale. That's good. And this one too. For example, this one. Now I think that's really good. So now let's import that. And here in import button, we can increase and decrease, simplify %. Keep it to 0 and click on import. It's ready. Let's put it here and scale that a little bit. Look at that. I think that's so cool. So beautiful. And let's try another one. For example, this one. Click on open. Now let's remove the background Then increase the accuracy, and here put it on fine mode and click on create. Maybe it takes a few moments. We should wait for it. So it's ready. As you can see, it's good. It's so cool. And let's import that. Put it here and scale that a little bit. Now let's try a statue. Click on upload and let's find a statue, for example this one. Remove the background, increase the accuracy, put it on fine mode and click on create. So it's ready. Let's check that. It's so cool. Look at the reflection. Let's import that. It's so cool. It's so great. I like it. I recommend you try it right now. It's so cool. Look at that. Wow. So our work is done. I hope this tutorial was useful and helpful for you. For more tutorials, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss our upcoming tutorials. See you next time.